In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Notion. If your dates look unfamiliar or inconsistent across your databases, adjusting the format is a quick way to make your workspace easier to read and share. This process changes only how the date is displayed, not the actual data, so you can switch formats anytime without losing information. Start by opening your Notion workspace and heading to the page that contains the database with the date property you want to adjust. You're looking for a table, board, list, or any database view where one of the columns holds date information. If you hover over the column headers, the one you'll be working with is the one that shows calendar-style values like a specific day and possibly a time. Click directly on the column that contains the dates. This opens the property settings for that column, which is where Notion lets you define what kind of information lives there. If the column isn't already behaving like a date, you'll want to make sure it's set correctly. In the property panel, find property type and set it to date. This tells Notion to treat every entry in that column as an actual date, which unlocks formatting options and date-specific features like reminders and sorting. If you're converting from text, Notion will do its best to interpret existing values, and you can fix any entries that don't convert cleanly afterward. With the column selected and the property type confirmed, look for the three dots next to the column name. Click those three dots to open the column options menu. This is where you can customize how the property appears across the entire database. From that menu, select Format. You'll see a list of date display styles such as month first formats like MMDDYYY or day first formats like DDMMYYY. Choose the one that matches your preference or regional standard. As soon as you make a selection, every date in that column updates instantly to the new format, keeping the underlying dates exactly the same. That's all it takes. By choosing the right property type and picking a display format, you ensure your dates are clear, consistent, and easy for everyone on your team to understand at a glance. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same menu and pick a different format without affecting any data or filters. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more readable Notion database.